Today we are going to discuss regarding posology and its calculations. Myself, Hemant Kumar Chauhan, Senior Lecturer from Principal K.M. Kundalani, Pharmacy Polytechnic, Ulhasnagar. After watching this video, you will be able to define this posology and you will be able to calculate the doses of the drug. Definition of posology. Posology is a branch of medical science which deals with the doses or the quantity of drug. Posos means how much. Logos means science, means it is a science where you are going to calculate the quantity of the drug required to get the desired therapeutic effect. One of the things is that official dose. Official dose represents average range of quantity suitable for adult which administered within 24 hours to get desired therapeutic action. Means the quantity which you will take in 24 hours mentioned by the physicians or the doctors are nothing but the official dose which give you the therapeutic action for them. There are different methods for the calculation of doses. The one depending on age of the patient, second depending on the body weight of the patient, and third depending on the body surface area of the patient. Depending on age of the patient, there are different formulas are given for the calculation. The one is Young's formula, where the child dose is equals to age in years upon age in years plus 12 into dose into adult dose. Billings formula, child dose is equals to age in years upon 20 into adult dose, whereas Freud's formula is given for infants that the child dose equals to age in month upon 150 into adult dose. The second one is depending on the body weight of the patient, which is given by Clark. That's why it is called Clark's formula, where it is given if the weight of the patient is taken in pound, then the child dose equals to weight in pound upon 150 into adult dose. And if the weight of the person or the patient is taken in the kilogram, then the formula will be child dose equals to weight in kilogram upon 70 into adult dose. And the last third one is a depending on body surface area, because irrespective of weight, irrespective of the gender, irrespective of the age, many patients are having their body surface areas are different because of obesity or maybe because of the adipose tissues present on the body or in the body in a more quantity. And this formula is given by Katzel, and by the Katzel formula, child dose is calculated as body surface area of a child upon average body surface area of an adult into adult dose, and average body surface area of an adult is given 1.7373 meters square. These are the few calculation or the problems for your solving at your home. Thank you for watching this video and best of luck